Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driven Wyld. Today, I am expecting some friends to come in from the airport from North Carolina to come visit me, and I am taking this week off. That said, I have posts ready for this upcoming week, and I've done all my recordings, and I will make sure that there's no hiccup with content. But that also said, that also means I can't promise anything either, especially since this is already an excuse video on the same day that I'm picking up my friend from the airport. So I wanted to give you guys a heads up. I'm probably not going to be as active in my comment section anymore. This is also why there has not been a live stream today, and there is nothing on that front is taking place, but still. Regardless, though, I'm really looking forward to spending this week with them, coming back refreshed. We got a lot of really cool things coming up. I just got off the phone with one of my partners. We have gotten in touch with a bunch of people that are buying into Gig Poster at the moment, which means we are going to have that linked up with our Driven Wyld Discord server, and we are going to be able to connect people with game-changing opportunities and different opportunities outside of the standard Doordash, UberEats, Grubhub. If you're not part of that already, what are you doing? Get in the description, join the Driven Wyld Discord server. We are really rolling with the build your own delivery service provider course as well. That is also going to be in the description, and we're going to be having live streams in the Discord server about that subject specifically. If you guys are even a little bit curious about it, if you guys are ready to build something with a little bit more scalability and have that entrepreneurial drive, again, the link to the course is going to be in the description. Feel free to check that out. And the tax deadline is right around the corner, so make sure that you're getting signed up with your qualified tax professionals to get your taxes done, whether it's through Gig Tax, our partner who has quadrupled his business, by the way. How crazy is that? His business quadrupled since last year? Are you kidding me? This has been a good winning few months all around, I'd say. And of course, we have wins on our end as well. All of that and more is going to be in the description. I am so excited to come back refreshed and talk about all of the exciting opportunities to come for you to make the most amount of money in the least amount of time and in the safest possible way. We are excited and looking forward to helping you secure your financial future. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, make sure to like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time.